Speaking of fidgets, I have a new package from Mrs. Ben.
Yay! It's a Christmas miracle!
Santa, please bring me fidget toys.
Just so you know as well, I don't think Santa's bringing you any fidgets this year. I don't think so. You have enough.
Actually, we kind of do.
No, we don't. Hanukkah. Cradle smell yummy. It smells like Hanukkah. Santa, if you're listening, put in my stocking. Now. I mean, Halloween.
Ew! Where's the boil? No!
It has a choking hazard, sis. She's so cute.
Is that what you do with those things?
Jordan, this is gonna be perfect for you for school.
Yes, but not that one.
What?
Stuff on it.
Santa loves dimples.
I need to bring this to school too.
But does your teacher like puppets?
No.
Are you still gonna bring it?
Yes.
What if you end up on the naughty list?
Hanukkah. 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 Why don't we celebrate Hanukkah? We get extra presents.
It's all about the presents.
We forgot the smell test. No! Smells like Hanukkah and churros. Winter surprise pack. Whoop, whoop. Ask Santa for this. You need this. I'm not kidding. You need me. Ding, ding, ding. No ball. It smells like hot chocolate. Na 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 double time. Na 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 booty time. Na 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 Christmas time. Booty booty.
I really like this because it's like 2 wires.
Fidget overload. Oh boy.
It's actually a puzzle, and it connects right away, just like a puzzle. Empty.
Well, then you need to write a letter to Santa.
Make a girl. Mrs. Bench on nice list, you know.